What's going on, people? I'm going to show you today how to turn this pallet wood. Right here. Some more here. Into finished lumber. Let's go check it out. If you're choosing to do projects with pallet wood, I need to take out all these nails. This is one of the best tools you'll ever invest in. Pop this on, plug your air in, hit your trigger. It has a piston in here that pops out a 1/4 inch, and it pushes that nail up and through the outside of the board. You might have to grab a hammer and pop some out, but you see 80% of them just come flying out. So that's why we chose to use this child play care pen to contain some of the nails that just end up everywhere. So that's your first process. Take nails out, then you're on to the next. Once you got all the nails off and out, you can stack it, set it up for your next machine. Once you got all your wood ready and prepped, you're gonna need one of these things. This is a thickness planer. It takes down the thickness, planes off some wood right off the top, about a 1/16 of an inch, until you get something that looks like this guy here. See, pallet wood is uneven though, so you tend to get boards that don't really come out nice, but it's pallet wood. It's free. You just have to pick what wood you want to use for where, and you can make anything you want. This is our first almost finished cabinet. As you can see on the left side, got a door on it. The right side doesn't yet. In the back here, I'm showing you the slider that I used. It's just simply a piece of wood that extends out past both sides of the drawer. It's squeezed in between two pieces of wood, sanding a little bit of wax on the bottom that helps it slide in and out perfectly. And the door is all made out of pallet wood as well.